You must have heard many people say that coding is very easy, anyone can do it. But those who actually do it know that learning to code is a lonely journey. Sometimes it feels like there's no guidance, sometimes the resources fall short. There's no one to explain where you need to go or what you need to do. There are many of you who must be facing these problems, and trust me, I have gone through this phase too. That's exactly why I created Technyks Squad, especially for people like you who need proper guidance, for those who want to do serious coding. Because although my videos are available on YouTube, I haven't been able to properly help those who need structured guidance, and this Technyks Squad will help them connect with me. In this way, we can build our own coding family. Many of you must be wondering, what exactly is Technyks Squad? Well, it's a membership program within YouTube. We've divided our entire membership program into 3 parts. The very first part is the Buddy Squad. Now, what does the Buddy Squad include? As the name suggests, it does exactly what it says. Within the Buddy Squad, you'll get a lot of things, including access to a chat room for which you'll receive a Discord link. You can join it, and there we can connect with each other. Your comments will be given priority and replied to quickly. And not only that, all the source code and materials for the courses we create on YouTube, everything that will help you in your learning, will be available to you. Because all these squads that I have created are only and only for serious learners, and I don't want you to skip the videos. So if you are among those who only want the source code and have specific needs, you can definitely join this squad easily and also watch the videos. Of course, and speaking of videos, you'll get to watch every video we launch on our channel 24 hours before everyone else. If you join this Buddy Squad, obviously you'll get our guidance as well, so you'll get all these things in the Buddy Squad. After that, the next squad is the Growth Squad. Now, just like its name, that's exactly what it does. Within our templates and courses, we launch a huge number of offers, and as a member of our Growth Squad, you'll be able to access all those offers, which will actually help you grow much faster. Because all the platforms we've created will be available to you at discounted prices, allowing you to build software even faster. You'll also get everything here that you used to get in the Buddy Squad. Along with that, you'll have the opportunity to chat live, so you can connect with us one-on-one. We can run posts based on the type of videos you need. Along with that, you'll get access to members-only videos and short videos. Within that, our third squad is the VIP Squad. Just like its very name profoundly suggests, it truly lives up to its well-established reputation. Here, you will comprehensively acquire everything that was readily available in both the esteemed Buddy Squad and the highly beneficial Growth Squad. Along with all of that, you will also gain access to our exclusive AdFR, and there are a few difficulties in understanding this. So for this reason, we've broken them down and brought you properly structured ad-free courses. You can check them out on our website. All of these are exclusively for members who are part of the VIP Squad. They will get access to these and can enroll in them. As long as you are a member, you can enjoy these, and additional videos will also be added based on your requirements. This will skyrocket your growth. And not only that, we will also provide you with proper guidance on how to move forward. This is a coding family that I have created for you and for us so that we can connect with each other and build a real family where we will do our best to support you enough so that you can move forward in your life. So if you are ready to grow with us, join right now and let's move forward together on this coding journey. So our next meeting will be inside the Technyks Squad. Be a coder from the heart. Hello my dear developers and app creators, today I have brought a big surprise for you. All the UI templates and complete platforms on our website are being offered at 50% off. Yes, you heard it right, 50% off. But this mega discount is only for a few days. So if you are doing app development or web development, whether you are using Angular, Ionic, Laravel, Firebase, or any other technology, you should definitely check out our templates. Inside, you'll find beautiful dashboards. You'll get responsive layouts. You'll save time and also get stunning UIs. You'll find everything you need in these. So go quickly. Visit codingtechniques.com and check out our templates and grab your favorite templates right now.